Weather 12 forecast.
Well, it feels like we just stepped into mid-February. You combine these strong wind gusts with unseasonably cold temperatures, and you want a winter coat, hat, and gloves before stepping out today. We're gusting to 40 right now in Newport, 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Providence and New Bedford, 37 out on Cape Cod, and that's our big headline today. Those cold winds are blowing. It's an important part of the storm, the setup here for the next storm that comes in, because ready or not, first snow's on the way. Storm-free weekend as well for us. Looking ahead to Saturday and Sunday, gearing up, making your shopping lists for Thanksgiving, and it does look storm-free for all those errands you may have to run. 35 in Providence right now. We're only at 37 in New Bedford, low 30s in Smithfield. These temperatures, as I mentioned, typical of mid-February, but add in the wind chills, it's even colder than that. They've been stuck in the 20s all day. Our Doppler radar, though, is dry. That'll be the case through the rest of the afternoon. Skies are partly to mostly clear, with temperatures that'll top out in the upper 30s and dropping back down to around 32 degrees by 5 o'clock this evening. We've got a cold night on the way. We'll see some spots as low as the teens by early tomorrow morning. But the big focus is going to be on this guy. Area of low pressure going to be developing along a frontal boundary here, and that's going to deliver some snow our way. Out ahead of it, cold and dry through the rest of the day and nighttime hours tonight. Here we are Thursday morning. Clouds on the increase, but there's no precipitation falling. Morning commute is fine. The school day stays dry. When do we see the precipitation moving in? Well, here's the timestamp, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. By 7, 8 o'clock, we're seeing snow here in southern New England. Starts to mix with and change to rain pretty quickly along the coastline. Takes a little bit longer further inland, and that's where the snowfall amounts will be higher. Friday morning commute, we're just seeing rain. The lingering showers will exit Friday afternoon, but we do not need any more rain. For the snowfall amounts, again, as temperatures rise, we get this snow in here in the evening hours. I'm expecting some difficult travel tomorrow evening as the temperatures will be hovering near freezing. You take into effect how cold it is today and how cold it will be tomorrow. That snow is going to stick on untreated surfaces. As the temperatures warm, we flip over to rain from south to north. By midnight, most of us are seeing plain rainfall. So a lot of this is going to get washed away. A coating to 1 inch near the coastline. You get inland, that's where you see 1 to 2 inches. Actually wouldn't be surprised if higher elevations in northwest Rhode Island ended up with closer to 2 or 3 inches of snow. So we'll see some travel impacts as the evening goes on through the early part of the night. Friday morning, we've made the switch to rain, but with all the recent rainfall, some street flooding and some river flooding is going to be a concern. We're looking at 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain once we make that flip over from the wintry weather. So 39 for today, mid-30s for tomorrow. Clouds thicken up through the morning and afternoon. Snow and sleet coming in during the later evening and night. Friday starts off with the rain drying up in the afternoon, but another round of gusty winds are likely. Weekend still looks quiet and cooler than normal. Keeping my eye on Sunday night. We've got the chance for a few nighttime showers. They could be rain or snow showers and linger into Monday morning. Looks cold and dry leading up to that busy travel time in the middle of